choose the correct answer. He said 9 times 100. 100 has 2 zeros. So we'll say 9 and we'll put 2 zeros from right side. 9 times 100 equals 900. Number 2, he said 15 pounds equal space piasters. We said before, or we studied before in the previous years, pounds equals 100 piasters. So here we'll put 2 zeros above it. Here we write 15 and 2 zeros. So final result equals 1,500. Question number 3, he said 6 times 100. 6 times 100 equals 600. We'll put 6 and 2 zeros. And we have here 2 times 3. 2 times 3 equals 6. 2 times 3 equals 6. And here 10 has 1 0. So result equals 60. Which is greater here? Greater here is 600. Number 4, he said space times 100 equals 7,000. Be careful. Here we have 3 zeros and here 2 zeros. So we'll choose 2 zeros together. Here remainder equals what? Here remainder equals 70. Here remainder equals 70. So here we write 70 in the space. So we'll choose 70. And here the sign before we have more than. After that he said complete each of the following. 2 times space times 100 equals 1,200. Here we have two zeros in both sides. Here we have 2 times space times 1 equals 12. Here we have 12. So 2 times what equals 12? 2 times 6. If we want to make check, 2 times 6 equals 12. We will write here 12. And 12 times 100, we will put 2 zeros from right side, so result equals 1,200. So here final result in the space it will be 6. 40 has 0 and here 70 also has 0, so we write 2 zeros. And 7 times 4 equals 28. Here we write 28. After that he said 600 times 10 equals space times 100. Count how many zeros here. We have 2 zeros and here also we have 0. So result equals 6 and we put 3 zeros. Question number 3, we have 600 times 10 equals space times 100. Count how many zeros. Here we have 2 zeros and here 1 0. So final result we will write 3 zeros. We write here 3 zeros. And here we will put 6. So equals 6,000. And here on the other side we have 2 zeros, so we need only 1 0 and we write 6. So result here equals 60. Question number 4, he said 35 meter equals space centimeters. Meters here meaning 100, so we'll put 2 zeros and we will write 35. So final result equals 3,500. Find the result of each of the following. He said 500 times 3. 3 times 5 equals 15. Here we write 15. And we will put 2 zeros from right side, so result equals 1500. Here we have 70 times 20, counting how many zeros? We have 2 zeros. So we'll say 7 times 2 equals 14. So result here equals 1400. 2 times 6. 2 times 6 equals 12. And here times 100. So we'll say 2 zeros from right side. Final result equals 1200. Question number 4. It's very nice. 2 times 5. First we will find the result of 2 times 5. 2 times 5 equals 10. 2 times 5 equals 10. After that we'll say 10 times 17. We write 17 and we'll put 0 from right side. Question number 4, he said complete each of the following table. Question number 4, he said complete the following table. 3 times 10. 3 times 10 equals 30. And here we have 40 times 10. How many zeros here? We have here 0. And also in 10 we have also another 0. So we'll put 2 zeros here. And 4 times 1 equals 4. So 40 times 10 equals 400. Here give me space times 10 equals 330. We want number times 10 equals 330. It will be 33. Why 33? Because if we say 33 times 10, we will put 0 from right side. So result equals 330. Here we didn't have any number, we have 2 spaces, so we'll put it like it. Here we have spaces. 3 times 100. 3 times 100 equals 300. 40 times 100. How many zeros here? Here we have 0 and here 2 zeros. So result equals 3 zeros. And 4 times 1 equals 4. Here 33 times 100. 33 times 100, we will write 33. And we will put 2 zeros from right side. Here we have 56,000. 56,000. Here we have 3 zeros. But here he said times 100. So remember how many zeros? It will be only 1 0. And here we write 56. So here 560. If we want to make check, 560 times 100 equals 56,000. Here we have 0 and here also 2 zeros. So result equals 3 zeros and we write 56 like it. Here 560 times 10. How many zeros? Count 1, 2. So we'll put 2 zeros. And we write 56 like it.